It's not coming. It's not coming. So I will see if it's not coming.
It's not coming. It's not coming for the right of it. I've informed people now and you, everybody.
Amazing, folks. It's really something. Amazing. Today is a unique day. There's a sea of clouds. Surrounding the whole Roque Nublo, I've already done a couple of orbits. Okay, it's unbelievable, man. It's amazing how Roque Nublo looks, but surrounded by the sea of clouds. It looks like a tiny island is emerging there. Oh my God, I've lost the signal. Oh, it's taking too long, man. This should have connected by now. This isn't coming. This isn't coming at all. I've lost the signal. No way. You don't come. You don't return. That's it, damn it. But really, it's been at least 15 minutes and hasn't come back. Well. Darn, I lost signal, man. I lost signal, man.
Level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Darn, I lost signal, man. I lost signal. Hang on, let's see, because I've lost signal and now I don't know where the drone is. Damn it. Yeah, I've lost signal, man. Calm down, Marcos, it's okay. It's okay. Let's see. It's absolutely okay, so don't get nervous. Okay. Guys, the drone is taking a while to connect. It's taking a while to connect to the drone. Let's see. It had plenty of battery, okay? While doing the orbit, it went behind the rock cloud, but I've set it to a reasonable altitude. This has happened to me several times, and so far, it's come back. Oof, but I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it, but it's taking too long now and this is bothering me. But anyway, at least, I can't believe it, man. At least it has been. Now I will call Ramon to tell him what's happening. But no, man, no. It's not coming. It's not coming. So I will see if it's not coming.
It's not coming. It's not coming for the right of it. I've informed people now and you, everybody.
This is incredible. Here it's over there, man. I can't believe it. Really, I can't believe it, man. We are at ground zero, at the scene of that fateful day, the 1st of April of the current year, approaching a pregnancy, where I experienced one of the worst moments a drone pilot can face. The loss of signal between the drone and the remote control. In the following images that you are going to see, I will reveal what happened. These are images I did not have access to until 7 days later. But the beautiful thing, the story, the truly important part of this video is what happened during those days. The events that took place, so exciting, and especially when you watch this video, I will show you next. You will realize, my God, how could he find it there if he had no idea if I lost the signal for me? The most important thing was not to recover the drone, but the shots, the images, the material that was recorded that day. On that 128 gigabyte card, there was pure gold. There were shots from a specific day, from a magical day, of some colors, unparalleled. And in this video, you will be able to see it. I tell you, I hope you enjoy it, like I did with this entire adventure. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, people from all corners of the world, grab your drink and popcorn and enjoy the following video. What a shame, what a shame, what a shame. With this fog, you can't fly, you know? Let's see, people. It seems like it's clearing up a little bit again. I have to wait for, as I said, a little more clearing, and then also find a slightly open area to be able to take off the drone. And man, to take off here. Okay, that's it. But we need to wait for all of this to improve, okay? Meanwhile, we sit here all hidden away. Oh, how cool! You want to go down there, huh? What do you think? Well, okay folks, let's record this moment.
Home point updated.
The roar of the propellers was more than just a sound. It was the echo of a fulfilled dream that has always looked to the sky and wondered what is beyond. That day, the drone faced the elements. The wind blew strong, the signals wavered like a distant conversation, and the distance, friends, was an abyss between us. But I decided to trust. With every meter the drone advanced, it became a symbol of my willingness to take risks, to fight for an unrepeatable moment, and capture those unique shots and images of that day. It's not just about the drone, it's about what it symbolizes: the will to fly, the desire to see the world from another perspective, from a new angle, to risk losing, to gain something greater. It is not just seeing from the heights, it is feeling the vastness of the world, capturing the ephemeral beauty that surrounds us, and sharing it with those who never imagined what lies beyond the horizon. Dear friends, welcome to the last video of the year in this story full of exciting moments.